So this is big, and I'm gonna do a little video on progress at the Ponderosa. Let's take a walk around and see how it's coming along. Come take a walk with me. We're gonna start here and we'll end up here and we'll go through that door. We got that little barn door action. It's got some old fishing stuff. Got the old Red Ryder collection. Got the squirrel action. I know y'all seen whitetail cribs. Do y'all want to see the whitetails? There they are. Yep, got that one at a pawn shop. Got that one at an estate sale. Let's keep walking. Y'all think that's it? We got a couple more. Come see. Oh yeah, got that one from estate sale. And I got that one from my brother's boss. Got a couple antique chairs. An old iron I got from a lady from Germany. Look like the old mink's having a bad day. What does the fox say? No, I'm just kidding. Got the Audubon print. I don't know. They got some. I like to see that bull. I ain't gonna lie, cause that's like 4 feet of horns there. And we're back to the bullseye. So let's take a little walk and see what's behind door number 1. Oh, it's dark in here. Let's go through here. We're going to, this is the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. Got the rain shower. Got a couple old signs. Shower's made out of tin. Looks good. Let's go to the bedroom now. Come on. Oh yeah, you know what we got going on. See, there's the bed. We took all the sheets off because, you know, we got to go home and clean them, wash them up. And you know, it ain't real country unless you're watching the grid. So let's go take a walk outside, see what's going on there. So this is it on the tour of the Ponderosa. So if y'all like what y'all seeing, y'all want to see some more of what was going on at the Ponderosa, you got to hit that subscribe button and let us know. Peace.